Hello students, exercise 9.1 question number 7. The question is, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay, let's start. So first you draw the diagram of this question. So one building and then tower. Okay, so draw a line that represents a building. Let A, B be the building, and as per question, from a point on the ground is, suppose this point on the ground, this is C, this is D. AB be the building and BC be the tower, and D any point on the ground. So from a point on the ground, that means from the point D, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a tower. So B be the bottom of the tower and C the top of the tower, fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So this building height is 20 meter. 20 meter. This is building. And find the height of the tower. Suppose tower height is x meter. X meter. So this is building and this is tower. This is tower BC. Now from the point D, the angles are 45 and 60. So from D point to angle of elevation of the bottom and the top. The bottom angle is 45 and top angle is 60 degree. So from D point to, so join D and B first. DB, this is angle is 45 degree. 45 degrees bottom and then top, that means D and C, join DC. So top angle is 60 degree, angle of elevation. That means total angle is 60 degree, always with the base angle front. So this 45 and total angle is 60 degree to the top from the point D. D is the observer point. Okay, so AB is the base. So let AB be the height of the building and BC be the height of the tower. given AB equal to, that means building 20 meter, angle BDA is 45 angle of elevation, and angle CDA is 60 degree. These two angles are elevation angle, and length of the building is given 20 meter. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So first you take triangle ADB. So in right triangle, this is 90 degree, a point. Triangle ADB, AB by DA, perpendicular by base, equal to tan 45. Angle is perpendicular by base 10, and AB is 20 meter by DA equal to tan 45 is 1. So by cross multiply, DA equal to 20 meter. DA, that is the base, 20 meter. Okay. Now another triangle, that is ACD. In triangle ACD, AC by DA, AC by DA, perpendicular by base 10, angle is, total angle is 60 degree, and AC is 20 plus X AC divided by DA equal to tan 60 root 3, and 20 plus X by DA, and DA already we got, DA is 20, equal to root 3. Equal to root 3, within bracket you can write, use number 1, so by 1. So by cross multiply, 20 plus X equal to 20 root 3. So X equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. 20 is common, root 3 minus 1. So 20, and root 3 value we can use, root 3 means 1.732 minus 1. You remember this, root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. So this is equal to 20 into 0.732. 1.732 minus 1, 0.732. Now multiply 20 into 0.732. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14, 0. After 3 digit, 0.123, 123 X. So equal to 14.64 meter. 14.64 meter. Question is find the height of the tower. Therefore, hence height of the tower is 14.64 meter. This is the answer. Thank you.